are going to love the 2020
Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security alarm, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, convenience group, technology group, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.